Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this fantastic Zone beanie cap for winter time. These are a nice little logo on there, H caps. So this thing is super thick. It's like double line, really soft material. It's got this fleece here on the inside. Let's see, it's acrylic polyester nylon, and lining is 100% polyester. Super soft though, like not even joking. All right, so if you're going out in the winter time, it's always nice to have a nice warm cap. So let's try this thing on here. All right, that is cozy actually. It's super thick, so a lot of times you're just gonna have like one little maybe one little layer here, and it can be a little bit thinner on the top. Even if it's really windy, I don't think any air is going to get through this. It's already starting to feel warm on my head. I could pretty confidently go outside in cold weather, and this is going to keep my ears and my head nice and warm. As you can see, still a little bit of room up here top too if I have more hair, or I want to pull this down, you know, really low over my eyes and get some extra protection there. It is really actually quite warm and comfortable. Has good elasticity to it. Yeah, it's really soft material also. So my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all next time.